Folding the second and third row seats in your Hyundai Santa Fe is quick and easy. Before folding any seats, be sure to remove any objects from them and unbuckle any seat belts. Now, let's fold the third row seats. Pull the strap on the seat back, and the headrest will fold. Then press the seat back forward to fold it. To fold the second row seats on models with the power captain's chairs, you can press the power fold switch at the rear of the cargo area, or you can use the seat back angle switch on the seat itself. Tilt it forward until it's past vertical, and the seat back will fold. On models with the bench seat, lift the seat back angle lever up to fold the seats forward. To bring the second row captain's chairs back to the upright position, you can press the same button at the rear of the cargo area. Or use the angle switch on the seat itself by tilting it rearward and holding it until the seat is upright. For models with the bench seat, pull the seat back angle lever up and lift the seat back to bring the seats back to upright. The third row seats can be easily brought back to upright by pulling the strap again and then flipping the headrest up. When folding any seats, Hyundai recommends moving the seat belt to the outboard position and securing it to prevent any interference with the seat or with cargo. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai.